morning, everyone. Our heads, our Undersecretary, and the Director of the Bureau of Small and Medium Enterprise are now at the Senate for our budget hearing. So please bear with me as I will be presenting and I will be representing her. The topic, the celebration today is Philippine additive manufacturing. And as what Dr. Advincula have said, there are various equipments like 3D printers, systems that now help our MSMEs. So just to give a brief background, MSME development plan. We have an MSME development plan. It's a key strategy for the sustainable growth and development of our micro, small, and medium enterprises. With this, the DTI pursues a 7-point strategic framework to help MSMEs start up, sustain, expand, and international their own businesses, and thereby become smarter and so ito po yung 7Ms. We have mindset, mastery, mentoring, money, machines, markets, and models. So for this activity, I think it's but relative to talk about machines. In 2013, the government has earmarked 700 million under the budget of the Department of Trade and Industry to implement its big push for MSME development. A major component of the MSME development plan is this shared service facilities. So ito pong programa na to provides machineries, equipment, tools, systems, accessories, and other auxiliary items, skills and knowledge under a shared system to improve the competitive of MSMEs. So ibig sabihin po nito, itong mga equipments natin and facilities can be used by MSMEs. Hindi lang po para sa isang SME ito. So para po ito sa lahat. And the objective of this program is to enable our MSMEs to increase their productivity. This will improve the quality of their products, enhance their products, and be marketable to the local and international market. This will also improve their price competitiveness, and also yung mga products po nila will conform with the standards. So ito po yun. Another objective is to accelerate MSME competitiveness by giving them access to energy-efficient technologies and more sophisticated equipment. Kanina po, sinasabi ni Dr. Advincula na meron pong 3D printers. Noon po, we use manual carving of woods. Ngayon po, we can do this with these 3D printers. Noon po, we also have manual sealing. Now, meron na po tayong mga bigger machines called form-fill seal that could be more efficient for our MSMEs to do their packaging. We also encouraged the graduation of MSMEs to the next level where they could tap better and wider market. So with this equipment, they can produce products that can be marketed locally. They can participate in our local trade fairs and also be competitive for them to also penetrate the international market. Okay, ito po yung sinasabi naman ni Secretary Boy. One objective also of the shared service facility is to account convergence, where government resources are pooled and integrated. And some of our partners under the SSF is, of course, the Department of Science and Technology. We also have the Department of Interior and Local Government. We have the CDA, Cooperative Development Authority, the TESDA, and the Department of Labor and Employment. The SSF program also addresses the gaps and bottlenecks in the value chain of priority industries. So with these machines, we can address these gaps and bottlenecks. Ang partners po ng DTI in this SSF programs are the cooperators. And these cooperators may be any juridical entity, such as but not limited to non-government organizations, the people's organizations, cooperatives, industry and trade associations, LGUs, state universities and colleges that provides technical, vocational schools also, and other similar government academic and training institutions. These entities must possess the necessary business registrations or accreditation and must have proven track record and capability to implement the SSF programs. So, ito naman po yung mga beneficiaries ng ating SSF. They are actual and potential users. They are the MSMEs. They can be cooperatives or association or group of MSMEs. They can also be individual MSMEs, individual entrepreneurs, students, trainees, teachers, among others. Ito po yung mga industry clusters na sinasabi din kanina ni Secretary de la Peña. We have abaca, bamboo, pineapple, calamansi, millfish, and all others. We have metals and metalworks also. The SSF project will support the MSMEs within the priority industry clusters. Some of these, ito pong nasa screen natin. So ito po yung updates ng ating Shared Service Facilities Program. As of 31 August, we have already established 2,495 SSF in the country. So sa buong Pilipinas po may available tayong SSF. And this amounted to around 1.5 billion pesos and as benefited around 331,545 MSMEs and potential MSMEs po. And in terms of job generation, we have employed 258,161 under our program. So alongside with the SSF, it also provides equipment for production process of priority industries. There are also facilities established to support and capacitate MSMEs towards invention and innovation. Ito po yung sinasabi rin kanina ni Secretary na fabrication laboratory, or we simply call it Fab Labs. So, ito po yung mga equipments. We have CNC router, yung mga malaking printer. We have the 3D printers also available in our Fab Labs. Okay, so as of August 31, we have already established 20 Fab Labs that are now situated under state universities and colleges and science high schools, and we have one under an NGO and one under an LGU. So among the SUCs and PHSS cooperators, we have the UP Diliman College of Fine Arts, we have the St. Louis University Extension Institute for Small Scale Industries Foundation, We have the Philippine Science High School in Ilocos, in Central Luzon. We also have the Batangas State University. Ito po yung, and also the Bohol Island State University. As mentioned earlier, ito po yung first Fab Lab to be established under this program of SSF. Okay. Okay, so these are samples lang of our Fab Labs. We have the expansion of Footwear Innovation Center in Marikina. Ito pong facility na ito is managed by the Philippine Footwear Federation Incorporated. And it can be used by the small-scale, it can be used for small-scale production, training of people for manpower needs, and development of new technology for the industry. The current shoe technology of the Marikina footwear industry may be lagging behind, especially in terms of equipment and machine. And this expansion aims to provide accessible facility where they can avail of the services of modern equipment not found anywhere else in the country. Some of their products and service line are laser printing and cutting. Meron po silang pattern grading, may toe and heel lasting, mold making. They have shoe last prototyping and correction. Meron din po pa rin silang foot scanning, so they can scan your foot, maybe get their sizes, and then eventually produce a prototype dun sa ating 3D printers. So nasa Marikina po ito. Okay, so we also have a Fab Lab co-working space in Ilocos. Ito pong SSF na to is called Innovation Center Fab Lab sa San Ildefonso po ito, sa Ilocos. It was established in May 26, and among the services that is provided by this Fab Lab is packaging, labeling, they have design, preparation, and also prototyping. So, meron po tayong malalaking machines that can print out labels for the products of our MSMEs. Okay, we also have Fab Lab in Santiago City in Isabela. The Fab Lab has provided product design, also prototyping, product research and development, technology and capacity development, and small batch production of these prototypes. We also have UP Fab Lab in Cebu. So they're more on digital fabrication also for packaging. They also have 3D printing. And among the products and services is laser cutting, ideation, and prototyping. Meron po silang mga large CNC milling machines for cutting woods and other maybe plastic materials. So sa Visayas yan po, yung UP Fab Lab. Meron din po tayo sa Mindanao. Ito pong Zamboanga City Fab Lab. This Fab Lab is providing computer-aided design, prototyping, short-run production, research, and development. And ito din po yung sinasabi kanina ni Secretary de la Peña. We have the Mindanao Fab Lab, the Center of Innovation and Invention under the Mindanao State University. Ang product services nila is on hands-on training that would assist you in digitalizing your ideas and then providing prototypes for these ideas. They also help local communities in Mindanao to develop their products and services with mentorship of inventors and entrepreneurs of Fab Labs. We also have a platform for small-scale manufacturing. Okay. So, in order to sustain the Fab Labs, the DTI provides capacity building and marketing assistance through our existing DTI programs, as provided to Cooperators and MSME beneficiaries. We also link them with potential suppliers and international Fab Lab networks. Ito pong Fab Labs natin, of course, the government provides them with the equipment and the facility. But hindi naman po ito free. So, we also allow these Fab Labs to charge minimum service fee for the maintenance din naman of their Fab Labs. Okay. Ito pong Fab Labs are located and being implemented by our DTI regional and provincial offices. So if you would have any chance or interest, you can visit our facilities in our provincial offices in the regions. Thank you very much.